Hey, what's going on, guys? Simon Kirches here, and today I'm gonna show you how to capture black screen using Vienna game Folkbeer Vienna Gambit. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Check. Check. Ladies and gentlemen, the queen, black screen, has been captured by white spot using Vienna game Folkbeer Vienna Gambit. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for more latest updates. And also check out my recent video that popped up on your screen. Peace, everyone.